Sending tokens manually to hundreds or thousands of wallets can take hours and increase mistakes. With an AI multisender, you can upload your wallet list, set your amounts, and send tokens faster. Whether you're managing an airdrop, community rewards, DAO payments, or token distribution, you can send tokens to multiple wallets in one process. Here's what makes it easier. If everyone receives the same amount, you don't need to manually enter amounts for every wallet. Just apply one amount to all addresses and let the tool prepare your transfer. Go to the Mycryptoview AI Multisender using the link in the description. The AI interface will guide you through the token sending process. You can also ask the AI questions during the process without interrupting your transfer. The AI will help guide you through each step. Next, add the wallets that will receive your tokens. Upload your address list file or paste the wallet addresses directly into the chat box. Choose how many tokens each wallet should receive. You can set different amounts for each wallet or apply the same amount to everyone. Before continuing, always review your wallet addresses and amounts carefully. Checking first helps prevent failed or incorrect transfers. Choose your blockchain network. For this example, we are using BNB Chain. Make sure your wallet is connected to the correct network before continuing. Select the token sending option, then choose the token you want to distribute from your wallet. Review your transfer details, including the network, token, addresses, and amounts. Once everything looks correct, continue to confirmation. For larger distributions, you can choose to continue sending even if one transaction fails. Any failed transactions can be reviewed and retried after the process completes. Confirm the transaction in your connected wallet and wait for the transfer process to complete. You can track the transaction results once finished. Instead of repeating transactions manually, AI Multisender helps simplify bulk token transfers and reduce repetitive work. That's how to use a BNB Chain AI Airdrop tool to send tokens to multiple wallets. Subscribe for more crypto tools, tutorials, and blockchain guides.